Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a linked device from your Bright account. Do you need to remove an old or unfamiliar device from your Bright account? Here's how to do it safely. First, open the Bright app and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down to Security Settings and select Device Management. You're going to see a list of all devices currently connected to your account, including phones, tablets, and browsers. Find the device that you want to remove, tap on it, and then select Remove Device. Bright will ask you to confirm the action. Once you confirm, that device will be logged out and won't be able to access your account unless it logs in again with your credentials. This is especially useful if you've lost a phone, upgraded your device, or you notice suspicious activity. Stay safe and regularly review your connected devices. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick Bright guides. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.